Hello, this is Gesner Deslandes at globalinternet.by. Today, I want to introduce to you Let's Learn Medical Terminology with Gesner. 20 lessons for medical translators. Terms, acronyms, abbreviations, and will conversations. Enter password to access. What you get: 20 complete lessons, medical terms, acronyms, and abbreviations used in real hospitals and clinics. English to French translations with clear explanations, simple dialogues, patient, doctor, nurse, pharmacist, etc. No subscription, one payment, lifetime access. Who this is for: medical translators, working English, French, Haitian nurses, doctors, and medical students. Anyone preparing for international medical exams or jobs abroad. For $20, one time, includes all 20 lessons and future updates. I repeat, for $20, one time, includes all 20 lessons and future updates. Option: to preview first lesson for free, send me a message. How to buy: send payment via Western Union or MoneyGram or mobile money like Moncash. Okay, you can find Moncash through SendWave or Prince Transfer. My name is Gesner Deslandes, so you will see this name on the Moncash. When you want to pay, it will say to you this phone number is for Gesner Deslandes. Gesner, GESNERDESLANDES. So my phone number is 50947 385663, and email Deslandes, okay, Deslandes78 à commercial gmail.com, Deslandes, DESLANDES 78 at gmail.com. After payment, you will receive the password to unlock all lessons. And if you wish, I can just send you the link to preview yourself, and then you pay after. There's no problem with that because I'm an engineer in chief at Global um, Internet.py. I can manage all my softwares, let's say at a certain distance. Okay. So now let's try to go to demonstration. What you're going to do, you just enter the password. Okay. And then the book will open. As you can see, um, you will see section select a lesson. I put 20 lessons in this book, okay? And you will see here your progress every time you move to a different lesson. So we have for medical translator, Citadel Language and Contact Services is hiring remote contract medical interpreters. So you see, these are on LinkedIn. If you go and visit, you will see where they hire interpreters, medical interpreters. So let's practice the book now. I'll put in the book, you will see my name right here. Let's learn medical terminology with Gesner and stuff. Okay, you can read all of that. So I myself, as used to be a medical translator, so here's how I put the technique for you guys to, let's say, learn in practice terminology, conversation, and quiz and note. Okay, so let's practice. Prescription.
Prescription.
Okay.
Physical exam.
Physical exam.
Vital signs.
Vital signs. So you will see that this is the first book where I display all the vocabularies and also a conversation. Okay.
Good morning, Mrs. Johnson. What brings you in today? I'd like to ask about prescription and physical exam.
All right. So that was it. It's for $25. Get in touch with me if you want to get yours. So the pleasure was mine, introducing this book to you. I build it with Python code, and I think it's going to be very useful for those of you in medical translation. And I got another one. If you want that one that has the French part, okay, I can give you that. But as you are an advanced speaker who speak English, but for a specific profession, okay, you can start using this to get more, medical vocabularies. See you next for the West. Just get in touch with me. This book is for $25 with all the updates along the way that I can do for you. See you next for the West. Bye. That was Engineer Gesner.